Hello everybody, I'm Jason and welcome back to Jason's World of Insightful Things. Today we're going to remove this homegrown window right here real quick, and then I'm going to put in the correct window that belongs into it. So I did say in a previous episode that we were going to start fixing this old girl up, and that's what we're going to do today. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a cutter and we're going to cut this piece of plywood out. So with that said, the people that I bought it from had basically a farm, and the farm, they just beat this thing up. So I'm gonna chisel this thing out. This shouldn't take 2 shakes of a lamb's tail, and we'll see if we can get this thing going. They put this thing on here with some kind of silicone. You know, it's funny, when I bought it, I did it in a snowstorm, and I really didn't notice how beat up this machine was. I wish I would have taken a little bit more time, but I was telling Terry, my camera supervisor, that at the end of the day, it wouldn't have much mattered anyway, because I don't think I could have got the deal that I got on this to begin with. So I'm going to get a razor knife real quick, and we are going to clean this thing up. And I'm also going to try to do this without gashing my leg up on this bar right here. We definitely put some silicone on this thing. All right. Okay, mission accomplished. So now I'm going to get the window. And some of this wonderful gasket maker. First thing we'll do is we'll test fit this, just to make sure we know what we're doing. So So what do you think, guys and gals? That's how this is going to go. I'm going to make a nice thick bead of this around because it's totally not flush. I don't know if the metal bent or something, but if I do it too tight, it could potentially break. This model is skid steer, the L220. Basically has heat, but it doesn't have air conditioning. On a slim chance, I was like, oh, maybe this thing has air conditioning, and I really lucked out. But not the case. So what I have right here, some Ultimate Black by JB Weld. It's good for making gaskets. We're making kind of a gasket right now with this window. Just poke a little hole in it. And I'm gonna go and cut this, and I'm gonna have a probably right here so I can make a nice gasket. I'll get the other JB Weld that I got. And then before I do that, I'm just going to grab some tape because I'm going to tape it up so when it cures, we don't have to worry about it falling down. So I'm going to grab some of this frog tape or whatever it is. Yeah, frog tape. I'll take it right up about there and try to work it from the bottom. I see a lot of people and they just squish these tubes. I guess it's not that big a deal, but I'm like kind of goofy about that. I'd like to get all the stuff I paid for out of it. So if you come over here, it's not magic, we'll just put a nice big thick bead on. I'm gonna add a little bit more down here. Oh, Terry, what do you think? Hi. So again, the key is let's not make a mess of this. I know. There we go. Should cure pretty fast. I don't know, I give it about probably 30 minutes. And this thing will hold pretty good. And that, my friends, is another fine episode of Jason's World of Insightful Things. I'm Jason, that's Terry, and we'll see you on the next episode really soon. Take care.